Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, is the bottom for Bitcoin in? Well, there are many reasons to believe that it might be, and I'm going to be showing you several different technical factors that lead me to believe that the bottom could be close. 55,500 is where we went. Is that the bottom? We're going to find out in today's video. If you want to find out what the next couple of days on Bitcoin's price are going to look like, then you found the right video. But without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Before we get started, guys, I do want to mention that this channel and this video are sponsored by the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. If you want to learn everything you need to know about technical analysis in 45 videos and 15 hours of high-quality educational content to save you the time of trying to learn it on your own, I highly encourage you to check it out with the link in the description box down below. There are several different trend lines that we need to be paying attention to right now on Bitcoin. First and foremost, there is this one right here that has been in play ever since January 9th when we touched it as resistance. Then we touched it again here as support at the end of February of this year, and we used it as resistance on the 7th of September. We briefly broke below this level of support, but we're currently attempting to get back up above it as Bitcoin is trying to put in a bottom here. The other levels of support that you need to know are this long-term uptrending level of support right here, $53,000, which was the local level of resistance on September the 7th, and then also $55,000, which is coming from the VPVR, that being one of the highs on VPVR that we have seen happen relatively recently. But one of the reasons why I believe that the bottom might be close, if not already in, has to do with Lux Algo. If you look at Lux Algo down here on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that there has been a green switch on the trend catcher in Lux Algo. Whenever this happens, it is trying to give you an early warning sign that a trend reversal may have just occurred. You notice it didn't happen on this little fake bottom back here on November the 15th and 16th, but it has now occurred. Looking down here onto Lux Oscillator Premium, we can see that it has also started converging and moving to the upside following a green dot that came into play a couple of days ago. Those 2 of 3 indicators tell us that we might be about to see some bullish movement. Now, you guys know my strategy. I like to look for buy and sell signals. I like to look for trend catcher to change color, and I like to look for confirmation from the Lux Oscillator. All 3 of these need to flash either green or red for me to say we're in a confirmed trend. Well, right now we've had 2 of those 3 flash. We have only to flash a buy signal right here on the 4-hourly chart, and that will confirm in my book that we're moving into an uptrend. But it's not just that, it's also the MACD. Take a look at 4-hourly chart MACD down here on Bitcoin. 4-hourly chart MACD is at the lowest point right now that it has been ever since May. In fact, it pulled back lower than the correction that we saw in September earlier on this year, where Bitcoin pulled all the way back down to $40,000. Now we've also seen a bullish cross as of just a couple of hours ago. This tells us that the bottom is potentially in on Bitcoin in a way that we have not seen in quite some time. So here's my take, and we'll go to full screen. I'll break it all down for you. Based on the plethora of analysis that we did on this morning's episode of Coffee and Crypto, I am personally under the opinion that Bitcoin has either just bottomed at 55,500 or the bottom is very close. The bottom, in my opinion, could potentially be as low as 53, but I'm inclined to believe that we have bottomed out right here. However, before I say that with confidence, I do want to see, 1, a buy signal come into play on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin over US dollars, and 2, I want to see Bitcoin rally up to above 60,000. If Bitcoin can do those 2 things, then I will be confident that we're going to start pushing back up to 61.5, 63,000, maybe 65 and 66,000 moving into the rest of the week. But of course, as I said, there is that potential that there could be a leg down. But Bitcoin has a chance to prove me bullish here in just the next couple of days. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Do you think the bottom's in? I have a feeling it's in, but I want to wait for confirmation. But I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. And also, by the way, tell me in the comment section down below, what is your favorite altcoin? Mine is, by portfolio, it's probably Ethereum, but I'm really liking Avalanche and Chainlink. I like all those projects. So tell me in the comment section down below, what is your favorite altcoin? Also, make sure to hit that like button. Let's see if we can't get to 2,500 likes. You guys smashed the heck out of the like button in the last couple of videos, and it helps us to rank in the YouTube algorithm. So thank you guys very, very much for doing that. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely consider subscribing because we're trying to help you become financially free in these cryptocurrency markets. And also, consider following us on Twitter @CryptoJebb for more updates on the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Peace.